Very clear.
When the mind gets stuck, so this is actually mind unsettled, caused by chi stagnation and blood stasis. A patient reports anxiety, irritability, mental restlessness, frequent sighing, chest oppression, hypochondrial distension. The pulse is wiry, which TCM mechanism best explains the presentation.
Liver chi stagnation disturbs the shen.
Which manifestation most strongly distinguishes mind unsettled due to chi stagnation from heart blood deficiency?
From
Okay.
heart blood deficiency, irritability with emotional constraint.
The central treatment principle for mind unsettled due to chi stagnation. In other words, ano yung gagawin mo?
Move chi,
Move mo yung chi mo.
eliminate stagnation, and calm the mind.
And I think you are all an expert
Calm.
already, di ba? Lalo na pag mag-move ng chi. Which patient statement is most characteristic of chi stagnation disturbing the shen?
I feel tense inside. I cannot relax. And I keep thinking about the same things.
Talaga? Okay. Wow. Ano yan? Ginamit mo yung mahaba-haba.
Feel tense.
Parang nakaka-relate.
Relax
Disturb siya, di
lang.
ba? Di walang relax. Puro
Oo.
trabaho.
Oo, parang iniisip. Which pulse is described as, yan, tinan mo, pulse pa rin.
Wiry.
Yes.
Why?
Which combination most strongly supports? Okay, liver. So this is actually tongue, pulse, and symptom. Liver chi stagnation leading to Shen disturbance.
Siyempre, kapag sa pulse test, wiry pulse na yan eh. Sighing, irritability, chest stations, wiry pulse.
Bakit parang may liver chi stagnation yan? Which
Parang meron.
acupuncture combination? Ay, easy. Gates. Four
Liver
gates.
3 plus Li4.
The principal rationale for using liver 3 bakit ka gagamit ng liver 3 sa mind unsettled from chi stagnation?
Di ba
To
kapag
move
siya nag-move
liver
ng chi?
Of course.
Yes.
Which point is described as regulating the chi, opening the chest, calming the shen?
PC6.
Bakit siya galit? Parang may iya. A patient has emotional constraint, chest oppression, frequent sighing, mental restlessness. Anong point para ma-address ang chi regulation in the
Red 17.
Yes, kanina lang yan. Which feature most strongly shifts the diagnosis from chi, okay, akala mo dati chi stagnation lang, then biglang naging blood stasis. Bakit?
It's stabbing pain.
Stabbing pain.
Which tongue finding is most characteristic of blood stasis, disturbing the shen?
Purple spot.
Which pulse? Blood stasis.
Blood stasis. Empty?
Empty.
Choppy.
Very wrong. You cannot change your answer.
Blood stasis pala choppy pag wiry,
Uy, automatic yan. Blood stasis nga, no? Katulad ng signal. Which
May blood stasis yung Wi-Fi.
strongest diagnostic clue for blood stasis disturbing the shen?
Unsettled mind, fixed pain, purple tongue, choppy pulse.
O, di ba nakakatulong?
Choppy.
Primary treatment principle for mind unsettled due to blood stasis.
Invigorate blood dispel stasis and calm the shen.
Which point is the influential point of the blood commonly used for blood disorders?
Liver
3. Bladder 17.
Bladder 17.
17. 30, 40, 50.
Influential point. Which point is selected to invigorate and regulate blood? Dali.
Clean 10.
Clean 10. which point can
And,
both move qi and help move blood. So qi and blood, making it particularly relevant pag nag-overlap ang qi stag and blood stasis.
eto na, liver 3.
Number
Eh,
3.
favorite mo.
Ito na yun.
Pwede ba
Okay,
pagsabay
yung
yin lang
pasyente may
din para
persistent.
maka-relax?
Oy, take note.
Oo nga, pwede ba yun, Doc? Pagsabay. Yin,
Pagsabi liver
liver
3 saka yin lang para ma-relax.
Oo naman.
Pwede siguro. Oo naman.
Persistent
Kaya, pwede.
emotional disturbance. Persistent fixed localized
Mm.
pain. Tinanong mo yung menstrual blood niya. May clots, saka madili. Purple and
Madili.
tongue. Uneven pulse. Ibig sabihin choppy. Which diagnosis is most appropriate?
Blood
Choppy, di
stasis,
ba blood
disturbing the
stasis, disturbing the chin.
Which statement best summarizes the difference between qi stagnation and blood stasis?
Chi stagnation
stagnation
tends to feel constrained, while blood stasis tends to feel fixed and persistent.
Parang ang galing yung magbasa ng ano, no? Automatic yung 4 na choices kaagad. Wow, amazing. May kilala akong ganyan. Pag nagbabasa siya 4, 5 lines, automatic. Which sequence correctly describes the mechanism of qi stagnation unsettling the mind?
Emotional stress,
Yeah.
liver qi
Tapos,
constraint, impaired qi movement, the Shen disturbance.
yes. Why does
Tama.
qi stagnation produce an emotionally stuck quality?
Qi
He cannot move freely, so emotional and mental activity becomes constrained.
Which statement best reflects Shen in qi stagnation? Sorry.
And this disturbed by obstruction and lack of free movement.
A patient
Tama.
with irritability, frustration, mood swings, and rumination, pero walang blood stasis. What is the mechanism?
Constrained liver chi.
Wow. Which physical manifestation is particularly associated with liver qi stagnation?
Pag may stagnation ka,
Disturbing
chest oppression and frequent sighing.
Which finding it would be least compatible with uncomplicated liver qi stagnation?
Uncomplicated.
Least.
Complicated, least. Purple tongue with peak stabbing pain.
If liver qi stagnation transforms into liver fire, which additional combination becomes more likely?
Red eyes, bitter taste, thirst, rapid wiry pulse.
Which mental state most closely corresponds to blood stasis rather than qi stagnation?
Fixed, obstructed, and persistent.
A patient says, I can't seem to move past it. So this illustrates
Blood stasis.
Yes. Which
Meron ako
Move on na.
Yeah,
Let go. Hindi makapag-let go. Hindi makamove on.
Ikutin mo siya, pakita mo yung dila niya, purple. Saka laki pa ng vein sa ilalim. Which statement best differentiates blood stasis from simple blood deficiency?
Blood stasis means blood is present, but its movement and functions are impaired.
Why is the heart particularly important in the mechanism of blood stasis disturbing the Shen?
Diba si heart is the houses of the Shen?
House the Shen.
Review nga lang eh. Which sequence most accurately describes blood stasis disturbing the Shen?
Blood stasis, liver fire, heat consumes yin, Shen disturbance.
No. Ay, sorry. What's your answer?
Blood stasis, heart, vessels, obstruction, impaired circulation, Shen loses tranquility, wala na siyang katahimikan.
Parang like the ghost.
Letter B mo, Ma'am Trix, walang obstruction.
Oo nga, walang obstruction.
Walang na-obstruct pala talaga yung blood vessel, pati yung... Okay.
Okay.
Which symptom combination is most suggestive of blood stasis rather than chi stagnation?
Fixed.
Simple.
Vivid dream plus fixed pain. Purple
Ah,
tongue.
alam mo, hindi maganda yung
Vivid
dreams.
dream. Oh no.
Malabo.
Lagi ako vivid dreams.
O kaya
Ano
pala na...
ganipan mo?
Ganyan mo
Kung
na
ano-ano.
nalaman. Okay lang.
Minsan nga alam ko pa nananaginip ako eh.
Ay, talaga.
Mm-mm.
Sana inano mo,
Mm-mm. Parang lucid dreaming.
kinunan mo sana ng picture.
Yun.
How I
Ay,
wish.
I think you need to ano. Yeah.
Oh, Liver 3, PC6, PC7. Syempre.
Which is a possible manifestation of blood stasis disturbing the Shen. Oh, I'm sure makaka-relate ka na rito.
Yan.
Ulit-ulit to, fixed or
Or
repetitive
Yes.
thought.
O, ano kaya yung thought niya, no?
Para pabalik ba?
A patient presents with anxiety, irritability, chest tightness, frequent sighing, wiry pulse, no fixed pain, no purple tongue. Ano ang treatment combinations? Ah,
Liver 3, Li4, PC6.
Baka mga for-hit condition.
bakit useful ang Li4 sa mind unsettled due to chi stagnation?
Moves chi and
Of
releases
hit constraint.
Which point is most directly associated with calming and anchoring the Shen in the blood stasis treatment strategy?
Heart 7.
R7.
Which point calms the mind, incorporated into either chi stag or blood stasis?
Yin
Yin
tang.
tang.
Which finding most strongly indicates that the chi stagnation process nag-progress na toward blood stasis?
Development
of fixed pain and purple tongue fighting.
Which progression is explicitly described? O alin yung tamang progression dyan?
Chi stagnation, blood stasis,
stronger
and more fixed
fixed.
obstruction.
So, ibig sabihin, yung Q natin is obstruction for blood stasis. No? Which
Obstruction.
clinical finding, blood stasis disturbing the Shen? So, dapat tanungin mo to sa baba.
May clots.
Oo.
May clots.
Yeah.
Dark blood with clots and painful pain.
Which
Oh,
vascular
man.
tongue finding is particularly useful in identifying blood stasis?
Distended or dark
dark
obligal vein. Yung
A
violet yung
patient has
lumihan.
insomnia, vivid disturbing dreams, emotional rigidity, fixed repetitive thoughts, localized stabbing pain. Anong additional finding para ma-confirm mo yung pattern?
Sa dila. Purple. Dusky tongue with choppy pulse.
Which
Ano?
pattern is characterized as unanchored, anxious, forgetful, easily startled?
Hard blood deficiency.
Wow.
Startled.
Yes. Which mental presentation is most characteristic of liver fire?
Agitation, irritability,
Agitation.
anger, excitability.
Which presentation suggestive of phlegm heat disturbing the Shen?
Confusion,
Confusion,
pamphletic,
agitation,
agitation, mental clouding, possible
bizarre
behavior.
Yan ba nangyari sa'yo?
Pero okay na ako. Binabalance ko na sarili ko.
Hindi,
Bawal lang sa manghang.
nagkaroon ka ba ng bizarre
Bawal-
behavior? Ay, ayos mo. Okay.
Maaari.
Ah.
Bawal dyan, Dok, mahang tsaka sobrang tamis.
Oo, ako din.
Bawal ako dyan. Lalo akong magbe-blazing.
Ay, naku. Kaya pala ang bilis niya sumagot. Okay. A clinician identifies a patient whose primary psychological experience is constraint rather than fixation, accompanied by emotional tension and irritability. Ano nangyari sa mukha niya? Or which pattern should be prioritized?
Stagnation?
Stagnation.
Yes. Which
Chi.
is the most accurate synthesis of the relationship between chi stagnation and blood stasis?
Kapag may pag may blood stagnation, prolonged to eh.
Prolonged
Prolonged
T
T stagnation can impair circulation and contribute to blood stasis.
Okay, dapat may emotional issue pa lang. Meron pa lang
T
stress.
stagnation.
Mag-ano na, ayusin na, di ba? A
Gamutin
patient
na, oo.
anxiety and mental restlessness, but the clinician finds no fixed pain, purple tongue, choppy pulse. Instead, the patient is irritability, sighing chest, oppression, wiry pulse. Best pattern differentiation.
Wire pars.
No
Pag
fixed
wiry, di ba, liver? T
pain.
stagnation, disturb the chin.
Yes.
Pag wiry.
Okay. Which statement best captures the central teaching principle?
T stagnation tends to constrain the mind, whereas blood stasis produces a more fixed, obstructed, persistent disturbance.
Wow, congratulations. Hmm.
Pag may mga symptoms na gamutin na, pwede magkaganyan, nakatakot.